Destiny Plants a Flower by Isabella Schaefer. Destiny arrives home from her last day of school. Summer break has officially begun. Destiny walks into her cozy home. Her dad looks up from the kitchen and smiles. "Hi, sweetheart," he says. "How was school?" "It was fun," says Destiny. Destiny already feels bored. "What will I do?" she wonders. Destiny walks outside and admires God's beautiful creation. The butterflies, the birds, the sunshine. Then she smiles. "I have an idea," she says. Destiny gathers her gloves, gardening tools, and packets of flower seeds. She can't wait to start her garden. With her little shovel, Destiny digs a small hole in the rich, soft soil. One by one, Destiny gently places the seeds into the soil. The next morning, Destiny wakes up with a smile. She can't wait to check on her garden. She hurries outside with her watering can. The seeds are still hidden beneath the soil. "Nothing yet," Destiny says. "That's okay. I'll keep taking care of them." Soon, something wonderful begins to happen. Tiny green sprouts peek through the soil. Destiny's face lights up with excitement. The little sprouts grow taller and stronger. Before long, colorful flowers begin to bloom. "Dad, come look!" Destiny calls excitedly. Her dad walks outside and smiles. "Wow, Destiny," he says. "Your flowers are beautiful." "I grew them myself," Destiny says proudly. Her dad gives her a hug. "I'm proud of you," he says. "You worked hard, stayed patient, and never gave up." Destiny thanks God for helping her flowers grow. Sometimes the best things in life take time. With patience, love, and God's help, wonderful things can grow.